Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Alexa devices, the dreaded blinking red light. If you're seeing this on your Alexa, don't worry, we've got you covered. Stick around as we walk you through the steps to fix this problem. Step 1. Check Wi-Fi connection. The first thing to check is your Wi-Fi connection. A blinking red light on Alexa often indicates it's having trouble connecting. Make sure your Wi-Fi network is working properly and that Alexa is within range. Step 2. Power cycle Alexa. Next, let's try power cycling your Alexa device. Sometimes a quick restart can resolve many issues. Here's how you do it. Unplug the power adapter from the Alexa device. Wait for about 30 seconds. Plug the power adapter back in. Step 3. Check for Alexa app updates. Another common fix is to ensure your Alexa app is up to date. Updates can include bug fixes that might resolve the blinking red light issue. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Go to the Settings menu. Tap on Device Settings and select your Alexa device. Check for any available updates and install them if needed. Step 4. Reset Alexa to factory settings. If the blinking red light persists, you may need to reset your Alexa device to factory settings. This should be a last resort, as it will erase all your preferences and settings. Find the reset button on your Alexa device. Location varies by model. Press and hold the reset button for about 20 seconds until the light ring turns orange and then blue. Follow the prompts in the Alexa app to set up your device again. Conclusion. And there you have it. Those were some effective methods to fix the blinking red light on your Alexa device. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time